Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comment if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can hide comments in Instagram. In order to do this, you need to go to Instagram. Find any post where you want to hide comments. For example, this one. And here I have one comment here. If the comment is pinned, we can't hide it, so we unhide it. So after that, we click the hide button, and our comment is hidden. And now if a person comes in and sees this inscription, only after he clicks will he be able to see the comment. And if you want to return it, you press unhidden. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.